Hello everyone, this is Eddie Davila with MUX1405, and for this week we were to put together a 2.0 version uh, of my application. I was able to install my application on my iPad device and went out to perform UI tests with the same users for version 1.0. Based on the primary user research experience, not many changes were needed to deploy in version 2.0 of my application. Most of the findings included in version 1 received positive feedback, and no changes were required by the user, except for adding the map kit to the application and be able to edit the resume screen. Most of the UI elements worked well for the user. Overall findings were positive, regardless of the minimal UI improvements. Having users react positively for version 1.0 and version 2.0 reassures the correct UI placement of the elements and design. Tasks were easy to accomplish due to the fact that users reacted positively in both versions of the application, and the usability and test questionnaires. Pain points were addressed and corrected. These included the ability to select a job from the list of options, and since this is a prototype, selecting real data is not possible at this time, yet the user was able to understand the layout of the results screen. No new pain points were discovered at this point. Some of the basic improvements I applied to version 2.0 include the navigation from screen to screen. Links and other functionality proved to be strong in both versions, so no major changes were required by the user. Users are able to complete a survey by clicking on the survey button at the very last screen, and this will help to collect the additional data after using version 2.0 of the application. I'm going to run the application. As you can see, it has no errors. And the screens are pretty straightforward. This is where you would select a job by distance or category, and the data will populate this UI table view. Going into the third view, I was able to add the map to my application. It will display the current location of the user, and this will be the profile screen in which you can access your resume and make changes here. The only pain point was that I was not able to hide the keyboard at this point. However, it does work at this point, and you can take a final survey with additional points and questions that may help my application improve in the future. Most of the UI elements here were displayed correctly in version 1.0. No major changes were needed. However, there is always room for improvement, and I am hoping to find additional or maybe unseen pain points in the future. Again, this is Eddie Davila with MUX1405, working with version 2.0 of my application, Map Jobs. Thank you very much for watching, and well, let me run the application. Oh, I did. Thank you very much for watching, and good luck.